Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all students? We hope everybody is fine at home. It's Adams High School video class for class 4th, subject Max. Today we will going to learn about descending order. Write the following in descending order. Some numerals are given here. We are trying to arrange these numerals in descending order. What is descending order, students? Arrangement of number from big number to small number. It is called descending order. See here, the given numerals are 7,830. It's 1,258, 3,246, 2,899, 2,998. The greatest number is 7,830 because the 7 is at 10,000 position. First we pick the number 7,830 and the next number is 3,246. Next number is 2,998, 2,899 and the last number is 1,258. See here, arrangement of descending order. The given numerals are here and the solution is here. First we pick the greatest number and write here. 7 at the 1000 position, 1 at the 1000 position, 3 at 1000 position, 2 at 1000 position and 2 at 1000 position. In these all numbers 7 is bigger. First we put the 7,830. Next is 3,000, 3,246. There is a two numbers in 1000 position. After 1000 we check the 100 position. In these two numbers, 2 at 1000 position and the 9 at 100 position. So these numbers are bigger than 2,899. 2,998 are bigger than 2,899. So we will write this number first and this number after this number. And the last number is 1,258. See here students, these are arrangement of descending order. You also copy this bit in your notebooks with neat handwriting. Now let's move another bit. It is expanded form. Write the expanded form of the following. Write the expanded form of the following numerals. Some numerals are given here and we are write these numerals in expanded form. Expanded form means number gives the number as a sum where each digit is separate term multiplied by its place value. First we put the place value on it. The given numeral is 6, 7. See here students, 6, 7, 3, 8. First we put the place value on it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now it can be easily readable. The given numeral is 6,738. Now we are going to multiply by this number by its place value. It's 6 at 1000 position. We multiplied 6 by 1000. It is 6,000. 7 at 100 position. We multiplied by 7. We multiplied 7 by 100. 700 is equal to 700. And 3 at 10th position we multiplied 3 by 10. 3 tens are 30. And we 8 at 1's position we multiplied 8 by 1's. 8 ones are 8. Now this is called the expanded form. The given numeral is 6,738. 6,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 8. It is called an expanded form. The next number is 5,724. See here, 5,724. First we put the place value on it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now this number can be easily readable for us. It's 5,724. we multiplied 5 by its place value, and its place value of 5 is 1000. 5 at 1000 position we multiplied 5 by 1000 is equal to 5000. 7 at 100 position we multiplied 7 by 100. 700 is a 700. 2 at 10th position we multiplied 2 by 10. 2 tens are 20. 4 at 1's position we multiplied by 4. 4 by 1 is equal to 4. It's 5000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 4. It is called a expanded form. The remaining numbers you should have to complete it in your notebook. I hope everybody is understand what is expanded form. You students are trying to complete these numbers in your notebook. Okay, let's move to another bit. Bit is write in the short form. What is a short form, students? When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. जब हम किसी भी नंबर को डिजिट्स में लिखेंगे तो वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म कहलाएगा. See here, 8000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. Its short form is very easy, students, and you know also very well. You learn about the short form, expanded form in your previous classes. Write in short form, it's 8000. See here, student, plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. We use only digits. We write a number using digits. The number is said to be in short form. Only digits. 8273. 8273. It's our short form. 8000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 3. 8270. It is called a short form. See, the next number is 4000 plus 80 plus 2. 4000 plus 80 plus 2. See, students, four thousand plus 80 plus 2. We use only digits. We use to write this number in short form, we use only digits. The digit is 482. 4 at thousands position, and there is no number at 100 position, so we put 0 at 100 position, and the given number 80 is at 10's position, and the 2 at 1's position. It is our short form. This is called a short form. When we use only digits to write a number, only digits, this is called a short form. It's 4802. 4080 plus 2. 4082. There is no number at 100 position, so that's why we put 0. We write 0 at 100 position. The next number is 7000 plus 202. Same here, 7000 plus 200 plus 2. 7002 plus 2. 7200. There is no number at 10's position, so we write 0 at 10's position and the 2 at 1's position. Now this number can be easily readable. It's 7202. I hope everybody is understand. Okay, students. First is the following numbers in descending order. Now next is write the number in expanded form. After this, write numbers in short form. The given numeral is here, and we are trying to write these numbers in short form. You students all also copy this in your notebooks. and we will meet inshallah another video class. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.